Today, I'm reviewing Google Vids Review, AI Video Creation Tool for Work and Teams 2025, an AI-powered video creation platform built into Google Workspace that helps teams produce engaging videos quickly using Gemini AI to generate outlines, scenes, assets, voiceovers, and clips from simple prompts. With Google Vids, you can start from a text prompt or Google Drive content, and Gemini builds a draft storyboard with scenes, stock media, scripts, and AI voiceovers that you can edit, making it well-suited for training, announcements, internal communications, and marketing. The built-in recording studio allows screen, webcam, and audio capture directly inside Vids, with helpful tools like a read-along teleprompter to keep recordings clear and on message. Google Vids also integrates with VO AI to generate short video clips from text or images, and offers templates, stock footage, and music, while collaboration works like Google Docs with real-time editing, comments, and sharing. Users value features such as automatic transcriptioning, filler word removal, and AI avatars that can deliver scripts without a live presenter, helping teams create polished videos efficiently. Some limitations include a 10-minute video cap, desktop-only editing, and advanced AI features requiring certain workspace plans or AI subscriptions. Overall, Google Vids is a strong AI video tool for teams in 2025 that simplifies the path from idea to finished video and supports collaboration, though it doesn't yet replace advanced professional video editors for complex projects.